Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May. This subscription is from Ipsy. It's 5 full-size items. Every month you get to choose one of them for $25. So it's an amazing subscription, always worth the value, worth the cost. It's really good. If you're into a beauty box and you want to spring for the full-size items, this is definitely one that you're going to want to check out. They do send this to me for review. FYI, I want to get that out of the way right now. I did, because they send me both the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. I'm sorry, if you see, this bracelet is like my go-to bracelet. I love this bracelet. I actually have 2. I need to get more. I need to order a bunch more. It's turning my wrist green. I don't wear it in like the water or anything, but it's turning my wrist green. I'm like kind of embarrassed. I'm like, oh, I should probably do something about that. Anyway, all right. So if you see that. Anyway, so I do kind of have an idea of what's in here. We're going to go through everything together. I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I'll also link to Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. It's not an affiliate link. None of that stuff. It is just sent to me for review. That's all. All right, so we're going to get in here. Inside of the box, always with the orange fluffy stuff. This is Ipsy's Open Studios May 2021 Flower Power Box. The brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin, know how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/flowerpower. And then inside, this is just some social sharing stuff. So, all right, we're going to get right in. All right. First up, we have the one size Point Made 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil in black. I'm not going to open this up because I don't want it to dry out by the time I get to it, if I ever get to it. I will on my blog look up all the prices for everything and kind of do a itemized breakdown of everything. I can't obviously do that while we're making this unboxing. So if you're interested in checking on that, I'll go to my blog, like I always say. Then we have the Item. Item is new, and I've only heard about them through, not new, I don't know that they're a new brand, but they're new to me, and I've only heard about them through Ipsy. They were in there last month with that gel moisturizer. This is their Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. I've been getting lip oils in everything. This is a Korean beauty brand as well, it says right here, and it is in one of these freshness sealed. I have tons of lip oil right now because I've been getting that sent to me. I'm not going to open this up. I'm probably going to give this to someone. I'm going to keep it in the cute little package, you know what I'm saying? All right, next up, buddies, we've got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. Dr. Brandt products are amazing, and the Pores No More is really nice. Like, I actually, even though it's kind of aggressive and my skin doesn't really like that, I think it works well. So it is for oily to combination skin. I have neither. I have dry skin straight up, but still would say this is a good product. All right, next we have the Ofra Blush Rose Ultra Pigmented Pressed Blush. Ooh, blossom into full view with this mauve dusty rose blush. Why the box is for when I take my pictures, then, so it's that's a huge compact. All right, so it does have a mirror. I love this white packaging until I actually use the makeup and I touch it all over with dirty fingers. So that's pretty. It's very subtle. MAC, what's it called? Cosmo? Do you know the one? Cosmo. It almost doesn't show up. I was very, like, when I saw it, I was like, that is not very good. And then I put it on my skin. Actually, I gotta find that. I forgot about that. And then I put it on my skin and I saw it. Oh, I have to find that blush. It's such a beautiful blush. It's just natural, perfect for like every day. Not that anybody sees my blush anymore because I always have a mask on. I'm really down lately, guys. I really am. I just, it's not in a good place, you know. Sometimes we're not, you know, and that's okay. All right, final item is our palette for the month. Anybody else down, like, just, I don't know if it's several things for me, but I think this time in our lives, like for everyone, it's just a rough time. All right, so this is the Illuminati X Isa, designed by Isabel Bedoya. I don't know who she is, but I'm sure she's probably an influencer or something cool like that. This is sealed. They're usually not, but this one is, so we're gonna unseal it. Apply the palette with a brush to create the perfect daytime look or an evening glam look. Did you know that? So this is from Illuminati Cosmetics, if you couldn't figure that out. It's like a cardboardy, not metal, not anything like that, plastic or anything. It does kind of have like glossy spots and unglossy spots, like a very cool nebula type look. And then let's see the colors. Ooh, that's interesting. It's very bright, perfect for this time of year. So they have it, no, I don't want to show you guys a mirror. All right, so we're just gonna do that. So we have 1996 is this yellow kind of glitter shade. So there's I don't know if you can see it over there. And then there's this called Sour. That's a bright neon green. Rai, I don't know what the heck that means. Is teal. Purple Haze is this lavender shade. Then we have Purple Dream, which is like a glitter rather than a shimmer. This Azul is a blue shimmer. Baby Girl is like a, you know, kind of a rusty, rosy tone. I'm going to say more orange than red, but then there's Addie, which is an orange. Love orange. You guys know that. This red shimmer is called June 1st. This rose is a deeper red shade. Trust is this brown shade. Izzy, that's my daughter's name, is a glitter, and it's like a gold. That's actually really cool. And then I'll insert some swatches right here. So this here is Rich, and that's a gold shimmer. Then there's a Colombiana, which is a white matte, and then there is Soul, which looks as though it's a shimmer. So there's that. So that is everything that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May. If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to them down below. I'll also link to my blog where you can kind of go and see what you think, if it's worth it for you, if you can't tell from this. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.